This is how to create an MT4 or an MT5 demo account. Once you download the MT4 or the MT5 app and your account was not created for you automatically, all you have to do is to click on the app, and this is the interface that you will see. Mind you, the MT4 and the MT5 has the same interface, just that the MT5 is more advanced than the MT4. So once you get to this point, all you have to do is to click on these three lines right here. Now once you click on that three line, you see this interface. The next thing you do is to click on Get Started. Now once you click on Get Started, you click on this plus icon right here. Once you click on this plus icon, the first option says Open a demo account, and the second option says Log into an existing account. All you have to do is to click on the Open a demo account. Now once you click on the Open a demo account, click on this place that says Meta Course Demo. So once you click on it, you'll be asked to fill in your personal information, your name, your phone number, your email, just like I did right here. Now for the account information, you choose your account type, which is Forex USD. You choose your leverage, which range from 1 to 100. I chose 1 to 100. Now for the amounts which you want on your demo account, once you click on the deposit option, you'll be able to choose the amount you want. I want 10,000 USD, so I'll click on 10,000 USD option. Now once you have chose the amount you want, you click on Create Account. Now right here, you see that your information will be displayed on this screen. Your name, your account type, the amount you deposited. You didn't actually deposit the money, it's actually a demo account, okay? Your login account number, your password, and your investor's password. So all you have to do is to click on Done, and you have successfully created an MT4 or an MT5 demo account. So this is actually an MT4. You can still follow the same process for your MT5. They are both the same thing. Now when you go to the trade interface, you see that your account balance is currently $10,000. Okay, so this is actually how to create an MT4 or MT5 account. So do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a new video.